Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to convert video to audio on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to convert your videos to audio, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your app store and install a third-party app for this. I will go for search here and so you have to simply search for MP3 converter. Simply search for MP3 converter here and you must have to install any app. I have already installed this app, so I'm going to use this one here. Just tap on this open option and the app will be opened. Here, just tap on this tools option here and then select the video to audio. So you just have to select video to audio, or you can also select video to MP3. I'm going to select video to audio here and just tap on the album option and select the video which you want to change. So for example, I'm going to select this one, just tap on that and then select next option here, and here just tap on convert option. Once you have convert, you can see that video had been successfully converted to an audio. Now you can easily make it ringtone, or you can also tap on this export option here and then select save video, and here your video will be saved. Just tap on save video again. You can also save it to files apps. Open your files app here and just go back and here select the folder in which you want to save your videos. For example, I'm going to select download here, select download and then tap on save option. So your audio file has been successfully saved to your download folder. Just tap on or open your files app here and go to browse, tap on my iPhone, then tap on downloads, and here you will get your audio file which you have just created. So here your audio file, so you can easily open it by tapping on that. So in this way you can easily convert any video to any audio on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.